Hey guys, welcome back. This just arrived today. I'm so excited. This is the Tonic Studios craft kit for, what month are we in? May, I think. Anyway, let me open it and let's see what's inside. So, big box of goodies. So this is the Follow Your Dreams kit. Follow Your Dreams rainbow box. And this gives you an idea of what it is. So as always, you get a like a leaflet thing to tell you what's in the kit, in case you want to buy more of the same product later on. And then also there's some detail on the back about becoming a club member, and you get extra 10% off. It's really good, really good. So that's always in the kit to show you what you've got coming. And then we have the box of goodies, which is this bad boy. So we'll take a look at that. This is the little folder that you get with your dies and your stamps, so we'll have a look at that as well, obviously. And then this is your paper pack, so all the different cardstocks and that. So I'll just get that out of the way. So let's look at these first, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you what they actually are, because I'm still learning. So let's have a look. So we have some odd size papers here. Let's have a look. Right, so there's some blingy, pearlescent-y kind of things going on here. Try not to blind you as well. So these are all the papers. So if I just put them like that, that'll work, I think. Right, so this actually looks like a letter size, which I'd actually prefer. They don't normally come this size, but it looks like an 8.5 by 11 piece that I've got in this kit, which I know A4 is normal where I live in the UK, but I actually work a lot more with that, with the American sizes. So actually, if that could be an option, that would be nice. Yeah, looks like I got one of those. But anyway, that's not what we're going to talk about. So I believe, let's have a look. So I think this is clementine orange, chili red, apricot orange, butter yellow, whoops, fuchsia pink, and then we have fresh mint pearlescent cardstock. So it's one of the specialty ones. I'll lift these up in a minute. And then there is a midnight topaz glitter, which is this one, and then the purple is electric purple mirror cardstock. So very cool colors. So I'll just show you. This is the orange, and there's texture on these. This is the classic card. The camera's not doing it justice. This is a clementine color. This on camera looks more pumpkin, but it is very clementine-y. And then the red is very nice and bright chili red. So it is definitely not the right color on camera, but I thought I'll show you anyway. The peachy sort of color, apricot I think they call it. The yellow is a beautiful yellow. What did I say it was? Buttermilk yellow. It looks more cream there, but it is a really lovely yellow, and I'm not a yellow person. I don't normally do yellow. So, and then the fuchsia, of course, doesn't look fuchsia at all on on camera, but it's a beautiful pink. So this is the, I'm trying not to blind you with this, and I don't want anybody seeing my reflection today. This is the electric blue, I think that's what it's called. Electric purple, sorry. That is a cool purple colour. So here's my markers in there. Very cool. Let's get that off to the side there and not blind anybody. And then this is the pearlescent green fresh mint, and it is a beautiful green. Very nice cardstock, quite thick cardstock. And then of course the topaz blue glitter. Woo! So very cool cardstock. Let's just pop these back in here. And off to the side. And then we have the die and stamp collection. So you guys know, you always get a sticker. So you guys know I always stick it on the paper one. So let's just do that now, because we can. And then I remember what papers were in if I know that that's the papers that are in here, whatever leftovers I do have, I then know, because this I will store with my dies the way that I store them. I don't store them the way that they are in here, but I haven't worked out what to do with the folders yet. But anyway, so there's a stamp set, let's see here, which, oops, I'll put it the right way around, and these pieces you can stamp onto the dies themselves. So if I just grab, there's instructions and everything in here, but let me just grab these out and then we can use this. So these are the two die sets that you get. There's some banding for around the edges. These two pieces here are like solid pieces you can cut out, which will cut out the stamped images. So you could stamp, cut them out and stick those to the box once you've made the box. There's decorative pieces here that you can just keep layering up over different colored cardstock if you want, or just as one bit of decoration. Some more here, and then the rainbow pieces itself, the main part of the box, some labels or sentiments, follow your dreams, and just for you, I think is what that says. And then there's a couple little ones that you can put in here that say thanks and smile. So some very sweet things in here, little hearts, little raindrops, the sun. So we'll see, we'll get to playing with that, and I will obviously show you how that works and how it goes together. And those are called the Follow Your Dreams Rainbow Box Die Set and Follow Your Dreams Rainbow Box Stamp Set. Apt. But the best bit for me is this. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I forgot about that actually. Oh, look at it. Isn't it cool? Right, so first off, I've never used these before. And these are, I mean, it's kind of on there, highly pigmented classic color pencils. I think that is probably all it says that they are. They're colouring pencils. So I think these are, they're not watercolour pencils, I don't think. They're wax core, so they're all wax based. So you might be able to, because it's a wax based pencil, you might be able to use these with some Gamsol or low odor mineral spirits like I've done before. I think I've showed you guys before. So that you can get like a blend on it. So maybe we'll do something with that. But these are the brilliantly vibrant pack of colours and some nice colours in there, so that's cool. Then you also get the double-sided tape, the red line tape. Now I am a fan of red line tape. I both love and hate it. It's very sticky, it's very cool, but the liner has like super static in it, so it clings to everything, which drives me insane. But that's very handy for making boxes as well if you don't like getting involved with wet adhesive, although wet adhesive is better. It just holds much better. So then we get a water-based glitter pen, which I've never used one of these before, and this is in Lemon Drizzle. So this just gives you an idea of the colour on the side there. So yeah, we'll be playing around with that bad boy. And then you get a mini, let me open this. You get a mini embossing powder. Couldn't think of the word. In Odyssey Blue. It's a very pretty blue. You can probably see a bit better there. Very cool blue. Nice and rich. And all the colours in here are rainbowy and bright, which is what I've noticed since opening this. And then you also get a full size crystal drop in Crushed Grape. So I don't think I have this colour, so that's cool. Isn't that a nice colour? I like that. I need to learn what else to do with these because I have like a billion of them. And then I have another one of these because the last one was the, where have I put them? Oh, I don't even know where I've put them now. Was the gold one. So this one is Turkish Rose. Isn't that pretty? Sorry, I've been shaking it up and stuff. There's a ball in here, like a ball bearing, I suppose. And once you've mixed it up, you can see more of that shimmeriness. And this is a good size bottle. I think this must be a full size bottle. I feel like the other one was smaller. The the gold one that we got before, but this is like a full size one. Yeah, the mica mist. So I think that's everything. My cat hair off here. Yeah, that's the one. That's it. So let me just drag these bits in here. Oops, come back. And that is it, guys, for the rainbow card kit, box kit. You know what I mean. We're going to make a box with it. But I'll try and show you some other ideas. We might be able to do some cards and things like that instead, and try and use these products. I am a little behind, as always, so I'm still working on projects from other kits, but I will be back showing you how to put the box together, and also how to maybe use the stamps for cards or scrapbook pages or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. So we'll see you in a bit, and thanks again for sticking by and sticking with me and watching all my videos and the madness that happens here some days. So until next time, bye for now.